Welcome, in front of me is a ESSENTIELB Wooze L, and today I'll show you how to capture a screenshot on the device. So to get started, you want to open up the content that you wish to capture, which for me is just going to be this home screen as an example. And once you have it open, all you need to do is press power key and volume down and hold it for a moment, and you will see this animation as it was just on the screen. And that's about it. The screenshot has been captured and now it can be found in your photo gallery. So let's open that up. Once I actually find it, oh, there it is, photos, and you can see it has only one image right here, photos. Now if I'm correct, if you add more, it will create categories, so then your screenshot will be in a folder called screenshots, and then you can view it from there. But because there's only one image, it's right in the middle. So there you go. So that's the screenshot, and that is basically how you would capture it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.